Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I make my fruit smoothie. So this is my breakfast fruit smoothie, and this smoothie I'll make most mornings when I don't feel like having a heavy breakfast, but I still want to have something filling and nutritious, in the morning. So this fruit smoothie, it's very filling, and as I said before, it's very nutritious. And these are the fruits that I tend to use to create this fruit smoothie. So here I have a berry and cherry mix. I also have some raspberry, and over here I have some cucumbers cut and peeled, well, semi-peeled, some bananas, and some ginger. So over there I have in my bag blueberries that I got from the farmer's market. So whenever I buy an abundance of fruit at the farmer's market, I'll clean them and then freeze them for later dates. And also I have some mango slices and some pineapple chunks. So without any further ado, come on with me and I'll show you guys how I make this fruit smoothie. And also, before I forget, the star of the show is my Ninja. So this here is my Ninja blender, and guys, it is very sturdy. It is one of the best blenders that I've had in a while. So the Ninja is the star of the show, and basically with this blender, I find with my fruit smoothies I don't even need to add water. So basically it will just grind the fruits to a smoothie texture without even me adding any water. So I find that this is really awesome, especially when you just want to get the nutrients from only the fruits. It's really good. The only time though I may add water is if the fruits are extra frozen, and once it turns into that smoothie texture, it may get a little bit like stiff in the blender and it might just need a little help along. So I may just add a little water just to kind of loosen it, to give it that kind of help along to continue blending. But yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So we're gonna start by adding our ginger. So as you can see guys, this is what it does to the fruit just by itself without me adding any form of liquid or water to it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna sweep down the fruits that is splashed up on the sides and have it go down back into the blender. But this blender, you guys, is so awesome. Like the first time my husband showed it to me, I was just like in awe. Because I'm like, what? I don't have to add water to it? This is amazing. The magic bullet does the work all by itself, and it just kind of take what you put in it and just kind of smooth it out into this nice smoothie texture. It has ice crush mode. It also has extract mode and chop, and also you can do dough in it. You know, for all, you know, my bakers, you can also do dough in it. So this is really, really awesome. And as I said, with this, you just get the nutrients from the fruits into this nice smoothie texture without adding anything to it. So you guys, this is how it just purees the fruit and make it so smooth. As you can see, the texture is amazing, and this is without adding any water to the smoothie. So for my people who loves this kind of thick smoothie texture, here you go. This is what it's gonna look like without adding any water to it. But for me, I would like mine a little bit looser. So I'm gonna be adding a little bit of water to my next blend, just to get it a little bit more loose, you know, so I can just pour it out. But you can see, guys, how thick it gets. So this would be like a gelato type yogurt smoothie for my people who loves to have their yogurt smoothie or gelato type fruit smoothie. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead, add some water to my next blend just to get mine a little bit looser. So I've added a little bit of water and to mine, and now it's a little bit more liquidy, as you guys can see. So this is how I take my fruit smoothie in the morning. So I'm just gonna pour a glass out, as you can see. And this is amazing, you guys. As I said, it will keep you filled until lunchtime at least. And it's very healthy, very nutritious, and you know, it's a very healthy smooth fruit smoothie to start your day off with in the morning. So thank you guys for watching this video.